welcome back to Heidi's house. If you don't already know me, my name is Heidi and this is my house. Today we're going to talk all about the Birkenstock Bend. What? Birkenstock has a sneaker? They do, and I am in absolute love with it. So if you want to hear more about the Birkenstock Bend, keep watching. Today we're going to talk about Birkenstock sneakers, specifically the Birkenstock Bend. Come in a variety of colors. They do come in narrow, medium, and they also come in the wide. They come in like black and white and silver, and they come in canvas, neutral color, a bunch of different things. As always, I'll put a montage on the screen. You can get them on Zappos, and of course Birkenstock's site has a much better selection. I wanted to be able to wear a white low profile sneaker that was cute with like office dresses or dresses I could wear, or just, cute summer outfits. Most of you know I live in South Florida, so I can wear the color white here all year. But most of the sneakers other than Brooks, which I run in, and Hoka and stuff like that, they're not very low profile. And Birkenstock has spoiled me because I'm so used to feeling the ground and having it mold to my foot that other than Brooks, a lot of the other running sneakers I don't really like, and they're not looking so cute with, like a dress like this. So let's just be honest. So I read a lot of the reviews on the Birkenstock Bend, and I would say 99% were positive. The ones that weren't were some people who were saying, they look like clown shoes, they look too wide, they look like baby shoes. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to give it a try. And what's the worst that could happen is they don't like them and I could send them back. So I have a pretty average to narrow foot that has a very low instep and pretty shallow arch, pretty medium to shallow arch. So with that said, I anticipated that I probably wasn't going to like them, but I love them. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, and I wouldn't say this is first impressions because I did wear them for about 2 to 3 whole days, and I wore them all day today at work, but I put them back in the box to kind of show you how they come. And then after about a month, I'm going to do an updated review. But as always, Zappos sends them. I got them, I think, in 2 days, a day. And here's my size. Let's see if I'll pay. So I get 36 narrow. And these are in the white leather. Specifically, these are the low bend white. And the website says the Birkenstock Bend sneaker boasts a simple design which can be worn alone with almost anything. These casual sneakers has an additional midsole made of PU polyurethane and cork to ensure optimum shock absorption. It also features a breathable microfiber lining for a comfortable foot climate. The upper is made of high quality soft natural leather. It has a removable anatomically shaped cork latex footbed, etc., etc. And so these are the white leather, incredible quality, incredible. I was a little nervous that my foot was going to run really hot because it doesn't have air vent holes, but it was good. So open it up, and as always, they're always packaged very well. I'll take them both out and then. And the little Birkenstock card comes wrapped around the laces. And so this is what they look like. Let me just do a quick. So this is where the cork bed is, and it goes all through the shoe. There's the Birkenstock embossing. The whole thing is leather. Kind of looks like an in-between of the Adidas Stan Smith Super Sneaker and like a Ked. And I did a runner's knot up here. So I laced it up to the top one and then hooked it under, and I'll explain why later. The tongue is all leather, and the underneath is like it kind of feels almost like a calf leather. It's so soft. It's not though. Birkenstock says the outside is what they call a very malleable, smooth leather that molds to the contour of your foot and is made to be breathable. But the underside, so the belly and the inside, is it's not finished, so it's super soft. And these specific sneakers are made to be worn with or without socks due to that molding and due to the original Birkenstock footbed, and I'll show you that in a minute. And the same thing with the heel that wraps around your Achilles tendon here is it's unfinished leather, so it's super soft and doesn't put any pressure. Now the heel on the sneakers are wide. These are the narrow. So I did have a problem with my heel slipping out of these, hence why I did the runner's knot up top where it comes in, and then you can pull it tight and my foot would stay nice and secure. And because it has the heel cup in the original footbed, my foot stayed nice and secure. However, you can loosen it up. Remember, these aren't sneakers you're going to be running. You're not going to be running 5Ks in these. You're not going to be playing basketball. Think of these more like your Birkenstocks, your good old Birkenstocks that you wear, like your sandals, like your Arizonas. But if you want a winter shoe, or you just want the look of a sports shoe or a sneaker, but you kind of want to hide you wearing Birkenstocks, that's this. These are incredible walking shoes or office shoes or a day at like the fair or anything else, but you don't want to expose your toes or you don't want to expose your feet for any reason. And I'm gonna pull the insides out of these. Loosen them up. So the shoelaces they come with are really, the best way I can explain is like they're that old-fashioned kind of white. It's the standard. The sneaker itself is not like a optic white. It's more of a toned down white, and the sole is definitely like an off-white. So there's kind of like a nice low profile to that. And the footbed, let me see if I could pull it out. I've been wearing these for like 2 to 3 days, and I don't want to take them off. They're that comfortable. Okay, that's what it looks like in there without the footbed. And just so you know, everything is leather in there. The sides, both sides, all the way down under the tongue, all the way down until, to the tips of your toes. The only thing that's not leather is the very bottom that is gonna hold the footbed. The footbed that it comes with, again, I've been wearing these, is the same original footbed that you're gonna get in any of your Birkenstock sandals. The difference is you can see the contour, the heel cup, the arch support. The only difference is that it doesn't have the toe grip because it's not a sandal, and I guess it would kind of feel a little weird in a sneaker. I will say they are really kind of flexible, and there's the jute on the bottom. I talked about that in one of my other videos. I'll insert pictures and mod shots of me wearing these with the dress I had on today at the office, and also with like some yoga pants and like just a cute sports outfit that I wore for like errands. And let's look at the bottom. The bottoms are a little dirty because I've been wearing them, but the bottoms are kind of like that classic Birkenstock. They say it in the areas, but the rubber on the bottom is the typical. That's about it. On my feet, these did not look, and you'll see in the pictures, I'll start putting them up. They do not look clownish to me. They don't look like baby shoes. To me, they look like the Adidas Stan Smith super sneakers. I do have a very small foot. I wear a 5.5 in ladies, and then in running sneakers, I'll wear a 6. And again, these are a 36 narrow. They do run big, and the reason why they run a little bigger is because these are unisex. So unisex accommodate for even a little wider feet. If you have super narrow feet, you're going to probably have the same problem as me, where you're in narrow heels. Your heel is going to might come out the back a little. But remember, these aren't sneakers that you're going to be running around in. Think of these more like a laced clog. You're more or less wearing these for closed support and the look of a sneaker and look of a walking shoe, but all the benefits of the orthopedic ride of a Birkenstock. So this is just a quick one, but I really adore these. I didn't think I was going to. And check out some of the colors, check out some of the styles. They have these in high tops as well. And they were a real pleasant surprise. So I will be back maybe after like 3 months with an update. And I hope this helped. I really give these 2 thumbs up. So for the Birkenstock Bend.